What's up, everybody? I'm back with another video, and I haven't uploaded in a little while, but we're back. So we have more Japanese Pokemon packs to open up today with Brandon and Adeline.
Hi.
So mine is the middle one, Brandon's is on the right, and Alan's on the left. So let's start opening. So I'll go first.
I'll go second.
Now I'll go second. Okay, I'll open this one first. Here we go. One from the back, the Japanese cards. Here we go. Larvesta, Feebas. These are in Japanese, so I don't know the names of these. Not all of them. We got Koba, I think that's his name. And we got a Toxel. Oh no, we got another card here. We have a Graplock V. First hit. Got a Graplock V. Okay, now it's turn. I don't know why they're not talking, but
Okay.
okay. I do it. Oh my god.
Open the card.
That's so hard. There we go. The card trick like this. There we go. Got a Cubchoo at the start.
Okay.
Sinistea. Liepard. Diglett. And another Cubchoo. Okay. Nothing for her first pack. So. See here, Brandon. See what Brandon got.
Alright.
Move the camera a little bit. Okay,
Did
one.
you already do
Do
this?
one.
I already did it.
Okay. Bunnelby,
Maybe?
Bounsweet, Carablast. Ooh, I forgot that one. And Liepard. And that's it. So only 5 cards per pack. And they do have the Japanese backings. So, yeah. Next booster pack. Hold up, guys. Open this one. Okay, here we go. Like this. They only have 5 cards in them. So, hopefully you don't hear stuff in the back. But if you do, then probably our pets. Because I do have a pet bunny. So. Diggersby, Feebas, Talonflame, Sheldon, and that's it. Nothing else. So
We only have one good card.
one ultra rare so far.
To start. Wait, where are my cards?
Your cards. What do you mean?
That proof.
Okay.
Okay.
Granbull. We got Bounsweet again. Fletching. Ooh, Furret. And a Stunfisk V. So we have 2 V cards so far. No secret rares yet, so there we go. And this is 9 packs total, so. Get a card trick. Check these packs out. Okay, here we go. Rookidee. Volcarona, Bunnelby, and that's the last card. So, Brandon hasn't got anything yet, but me and Alan got ultra rares so far. So, there we go. Oh, sorry for that. Okay, last pack magic for me. So, here we go. Hopefully, I get something good. But I already got something, so I'll be happy for whatever I get, because I already got a Graplock V. So, and a Wishy-Washy. So, there you go. See another Wishy-Washy. Wishy Washy, Aaron, Grimer, and that's the last card. So hope Brandon gets something this
So we
time.
can all get these. All get something.
Okay, here you go. Here's his last pack here. Let's see what he gets. Here you go, Brandon. And if you haven't seen our last video, the 10 subscriber special, we just hit 10 subscribers a couple days ago. Oh, okay, an Aggron holographic. But go back to what I was saying. We just hit 10 subscribers, and can't believe we hit that. So thank y'all very much. And that was it. So 9 packs. We got 1 holographic right here. Now let me zoom in real quick. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay. So not these. These are just bulk cards. But we got 2 ultra rares, 1 holographic. Yeah, I think it was pretty good. So everybody got something. Natalie got the Stunfisk V, I got the Grapploct V, and Brandon got the Aggron holographic. So tell us in the comments down below, who do you think won? So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video, guys. Thank y'all so much for 10 subscribers, and I'll catch you on the next one, guys. Peace.